Now, did I ever tell you about what happened to me in 1954? I remember quite vividly now. She was the saddest woman and the tallest woman I've ever met. I really quite tried to her. I don't know if you remember this, but her husband had been entombed in ice like this. Oh, and I remember quite vividly at the time, people came running out of there because we'd been cut off by a terrific snowstorm. Yes. I know the situation myself. It was extremely cold, and we were plunged into total darkness. Like, I would have let the land like devil's breath. And, well, she was sitting there like that. I was over there, he was there like that. And we heard what sounded like a child's voice, like this. Mama, 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 mama. Oh, she was kind of, first of all, I had to get in there, like that, and closer it came. Until finally, in the end, she didn't care no more. She arched her back and scuttled across the room like a giant spider. Well, he went for it like this. She opened her mouth to spit, and I cried, ah! Oh, I should get another one of those.
Will you go to that?
Bugger off. I mean, it may have been a ghost. I don't know, really. I really can't really say anything about it, you see. I'm afraid I was very, very drunk.